Welcome to the Ultimate Trading Showdown, the Portfolio Master Challenge. Get ready to test your trading prowess and compete for the top spot. Here's how you can jump into the action. First, make sure you are running the latest version of our full-featured Windows app. Now, open the Brokerage Plus module by clicking on the toolbar icon up here. Next, head straight to the Strategies tab. Here, you'll find various ready-made order templates, but you can easily create your own custom template as well. To see the settings of any of these templates, or to create a new one, simply right-click into the Strategies tab, then make your choice. In order to activate a strategy for the contest, you will have to select the Portfolio Master account. This step is crucial. Now that this template is ready to go, there's one last step to take until you can use it on the chart. Since you can have many different order templates, you need to define which one will be used for the buy and the sell button on the chart. To assign a template to the buy button, right-click on the strategy and select Set as Default Chart Long Strategy. To assign a template to the sell button, right-click on the strategy and select Set as Default Chart Short Strategy. And don't forget to always select the dedicated contest account in any template you would like to use to ensure that your trades are counted. Now, let's go ahead and place an order. To buy this stock, press the green buy button, then move your cursor to the price you would like to get in. As you can see, your stop and target will automatically be placed. Managing this trade, I just entered right from the chart, is easy and convenient. Whenever you'd like to see more trade metrics or monitor all your positions, head over to the Brokerage Plus Positions tab, where all your trades are detailed. With a right click on any position, you can quickly adjust your stop loss or target. And you can also flatten, double, or reverse your trades with these quick buttons. The very last step is to save these settings, so you won't need to go through this setup again and are set up for chart trading for good. To do so, right-click into the Strategies tab and select Save as Default. Next, open the Brokerage Plus Windows tab and select Save as Default here as well. Good luck in the challenge. May the best trader win.